What's up, everybody? This your girl Tracer, and I'm back at you with another video. And today I will be talking about my lock journey, as you can see from the title. So let's get into it. So first thing I want to say is I just kept seeing a lot of people with locks, and I thought it was something low maintenance to do. So that's why I decided that I wanted to do locks. Plus you can do different styles and stuff like that. It's not like how it used to be back in the day. So I said, why not? It's like you're starting over. So it's like how people do big chops. So it's like instead of me doing a big chop, I'm just doing locks. And I know a lot of people say you should start with waist length hair because your hair will shrink up. And let me tell you, the shrinkage is real, because I'm over here looking like a little boy right now. I never been a person to like short hair, and this hair, my hair just really shrank. And so see, it used to be, it'll be like right here, but since of course it's the two strand twist, by the way. So since it's the twist, they said that it will have a lot of shrinkage. So I was prepared for it. Definitely take some time to get used to. But it's okay. I'm just embracing my natural journey. I've already been a natural for many, many years. So embracing my natural journey even further by getting locks, it'll just help me. I feel like it helps a lot with being more confident with who you are, and it just opens up I don't know, like another gate or something. I don't know. Basically it's a part of getting to know you. So yeah, that's another reason why I decided to do it. So now, of course, this is where the journey begins. So I believe I locked my hair around December 6th. And today is December 25th. Yes, the 25th. So it hasn't been locked that long. I am loving it though. I am loving it. Definitely took some time to get used to, but I am loving it so far. I just can't wait till I start getting some mad length. So when my locks get at least, they drop to right here, then you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, seriously. And I already have a good grade of hair. My ends, I don't know. Leave a comment in the bottom if your ends do not curl at the end. But I know when I did my locks, because I did them myself, that's another thing. It wasn't hard to do. It was just very time consuming. But when I did them, I already knew that because I like curly ends, even with my natural hair. So, I wanted to keep my ends curly, because they just naturally curl up anyway. And so that's what I wanted. I wanted my ends to, some of them is kind of dry, so don't worry about that. You can just go in with the cream and twist it, and it will get right back into shape. And I do not have any buildup. I do not have any flakes. And let me know if you want me to leave the products that I use in the comments, and I'll tell you what products I use. It's really that simple. Because I know y'all got different products that y'all use, y'all prefer to use. But if you would like to know what I use, because I'm sure you could use whatever, but if you would like to know what I use, then leave a comment in, leave a comment in the Dropbox or whatever comment box. But so yeah, what else do I need to tell y'all? So yes, a two strand twist. Oh, so the count. I want y'all to guess. No, you know what? I ain't gonna make y'all guess. I want to so bad, but I ain't gonna do that to y'all. About how many locks I got. So I have, and if you can guess, then you go ahead and guess before I even say it. That's fine, but I'ma still tell you. No cheating. But so I have about 94 to 98 locks. And I'm very happy with that because I want a full head of locks, healthy locks. I didn't want, some people, you can get them however you want, and I just didn't want them really thick. I know it'll be more maintenance with 94, 98 locks, but I like that size. I like that size. So that means that my locks is not it's not gonna be huge. It's gonna be like medium. Which even when I get like braids or I get any extensions or anything, I always like the medium size. I feel like that just fits me better. I also like jumbo. I like jumbo, but for locks, I just prefer medium because it just look more I don't want to say together because I love thick locks on some people, but for me, I feel like medium would be nice for me. So, and they always say, however much you part your hair, that's how big. However big you part your hair, that's how big your lock is going to be. It's by the part, not the actual twist, but the part. See, like these they are definitely just beginning. So they're gonna look smaller, but they're not gonna stay the size. They're gonna swell up, bud, all that other good stuff, and they're gonna be a nice size. So I'm getting, like I said, I'm getting used to the neck length because I never really liked neck length hair on me, but it is what it is. This is me. I'm not trying to put up on a front. I didn't put any in. No disrespect to anybody who put like lock extensions in or anything like that, but I just wanted to start with my real hair to see just what I can do, what I'm capable of doing, because it's just another goal that I can say that I accomplished, I guess, as far as with the hair and the hair journey, being a black woman, and just trying to, take care of your hair yourself instead of going to a loctician. And I was about to go to a loctician, but I said, I'm not horrible with doing my hair, and the parts don't have to be perfect, but I said, let me just try it, because if I didn't like the 2-strand twist, then I could have just took it down. It's just as simple as that. I could have just took it down and then went to a loctician. So I did have that as a backup, but I said, nah, I can do this. I said, I can do this. So that's what I did. And plus I'm like used to doing hair anyway. So that's that. But well, at least used to doing my own hair. I don't like doing other people's hair. I'm not a beautician or anything. I just got kids, so I do their hair, and I just do my own hair because I have to. So yeah. But these parts, I know you can't see it right now, but these are the C shape parts that I did. And let me tell you, it was so much easier doing these parts, because when you do like box parts, you have to literally like make sure the part is straight from, you know what I'm saying, up and down, just perfect all around. And I like perfection, so I would have been doing them square or them box parts. That would have took me a while. It already takes me a while to part. I am not no pro, and I braid slow. I've gotten better over the years as I keep going, but I am not the fastest braider, and I would be all day. I was already all day with this, but the C parts is the better parts. I mean, it's easier. It was easier for me to do, and that's what I did. And I ended up getting 94 to 98 locks out of that, and I was good to go. Like, I just did a little C. Well, they call them C. They call them seashells. They call them pineapples. Slices or something. Moons or something like that. Like, I don't know. I'm still learning with the whole terminology of locks and stuff like that. But I did study enough to know that I want to see parts, because I just felt like since I'm doing my own hair, that the C parts would be the better parts. Or I'm sorry, easier for me. So that's just what I did. But I think that's all I have. Just let me know if I left anything out, or if you have any other questions about the lock journey and what to do. I did not wet my hair as I take a shower. I have not washed my hair at all yet. At all. But what I do is I just let the steam naturally just absorb into my hair. And that's that. Like, I don't do anything else. At least not yet. I don't want to wash it until after a month, which is like 2 more weeks or something like that. So I'm not gonna really give it a good wash until then, and then do a retwist, and that's that. But so just let me know if you have any other questions, and I will try to answer them. Thanks.